Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Trello boards for sales pipelines. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Trello and create a new board. Name your board sales pipeline. Select a template or start from scratch. Create lists to represent different stages of your pipeline. Common stages include leads, contacted, proposal, and closed. In each list, add cards for your prospects or leads. Click Add a card under the relevant list to create a new card. Name the card with the prospect's name or company. You can also add a description for more details. Include relevant labels to categorize leads by priority or type. Use checklists within the card for tracking tasks related to each lead. Attach files or links if you have supporting documents. Set due dates to remind yourself of follow-up actions. Move cards between lists as the lead progresses through the pipeline. For example, once you contact a lead, drag their card from leads to contacted. Consider using Trello power-ups like Calendar, or you can also integrate with other tools like Slack or Google Drive for better collaboration. Regularly review your pipeline to ensure no leads are overlooked. Adjust your lists and stages as needed based on your sales process. With practice, you'll streamline your sales process using Trello boards effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.